Hello enthusiasts, welcome back to another one of our videos. Today we're uncovering the hidden potential of coffee grounds in cannabis cultivation. Before we begin, please remember that this is an educational video, and therefore all information provided is for educational purposes only. Picture this. Every morning, millions of us brew our favorite coffee, savor the rich aroma while drinking this delicious beverage from our cups, and then toss the leftover grounds into the trash without a second thought. But what if I told you that those discarded coffee grounds could hold the key to revolutionizing your cannabis garden? Instead of thinking of coffee grounds as waste, imagine them as an organic treasure trove for your soil. They are packed with vital nutrients that plants absolutely love, such as nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. When combined, these three elements are known as the holy trinity of plant nutrition. Nitrogen plays a crucial role as it is a primary building block of chlorophyll. And for cannabis plants, chlorophyll is the pigment responsible for capturing light energy during photosynthesis. This process converts light into chemical energy, which fuels the production of carbohydrates and other compounds necessary for growth. Beyond chlorophyll, nitrogen is also a critical component of amino acids. These proteins are essential for cell division, tissue repair, and overall plant metabolism, which is vitally important during the vegetative stage when cannabis plants focus on developing stems, branches, and leaves. While phosphorus and potassium step in to fortify the roots and support flower production. Phosphorus is essential for energy transfer within the plant, as it is a key component of adenosine triphosphate, which is the molecule that stores and transfers energy for cellular functions. During root development, phosphorus enhances the formation of a strong, extensive root system, which improves nutrient and water uptake, setting the stage for healthy growth. Potassium, on the other hand, is a regulator of many physiological processes. It helps to maintain water balance within plant cells by controlling the opening and closing of the stomata. This process not only aids in photosynthesis, but also helps the plant withstand environmental stresses such as drought or extreme temperatures. So I know what you may be thinking. If coffee grounds are good for my plants, why not go direct to the source and use the whole bean? When it comes to cannabis cultivation, coffee grounds are a far better choice than whole beans for a variety of practical and scientific reasons. Perhaps the simplest and most straightforward answer is that coffee grounds are much easier to use. Their fine, soft texture allows them to blend seamlessly into soil, compost, or water, unlike whole beans, which can create uneven textures and take up unnecessary space. Furthermore, the brewing process breaks down the structure of the coffee bean, making the nutrients within immediately available to the soil. Coffee grounds act like pre-processed nutrient packets, ready for microbes in the soil to utilize, whereas whole beans take significantly longer to decompose. This delay means their nutrients are locked away for months or even years, making them far less efficient for plant growth. There are several ways to use coffee grounds in your cannabis garden. Let's start with the most beneficial: composting. Adding coffee grounds to a compost pile is an excellent way to recycle this nutrient-rich material. It's a green compost ingredient. Coffee grounds are high in nitrogen and pair well with brown materials such as dried leaves or cardboard. This balance between green and brown materials speeds up decomposition, producing a nutrient-dense compost that enhances soil fertility and structure. Once the compost is ready, it can be incorporated into your garden soil for maximum benefit. For a more direct approach, coffee grounds can be used directly as a soil amendment. Simply sprinkle a thin layer around the base of your cannabis plants to enrich the soil with organic matter, and it will enhance the overall microbial activity. As the grounds break down, they release nutrients slowly, benefiting your plants over time. To avoid nutrient imbalances, it's best to mix coffee grounds into the topsoil at a ratio of 1 part coffee grounds to 3 parts soil. Remember to be cautious not to over-apply, as excessive nitrogen can disrupt the soil's nutrient balance and harm plant growth. Another great use for coffee grounds is as a liquid fertilizer, often referred to as coffee tea. Make it, steep approximately 1 cup of used coffee grounds in 1 gallon of water for 24 to 48 hours. The resulting nutrient-rich solution can then be used to water your plants, delivering an immediate boost of nitrogen and other essential nutrients directly to the roots. This method also helps to maintain soil moisture, which is an essential factor for healthy plant growth. Coffee grounds are also highly effective as mulch. Spreading a thin layer of grounds around the base of your plants can help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and even discourage pests like slugs and ants. For best results, mix coffee grounds with other mulch materials such as straw or leaves to prevent them from compacting and forming a crust. As coffee grounds decompose, they release nutrients, including nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace minerals, into the soil, which supports microbial activity that will enhance the soil's organic matter and fertility over time. Unlike synthetic mulches, coffee grounds contribute directly to soil health by enriching it as they break down. If you're working with a worm bin, coffee grounds can be an ideal addition for your little friends. Worms love coffee grounds. They will break them down quickly into vermicompost. Vermicompost is a rich organic fertilizer that provides a concentrated boost of essential nutrients while improving soil structure and water retention. Just be sure to balance the coffee grounds with other worm bin materials, such as fruit peels or straw, to keep the worms happy and productive. Coffee grounds offer a range of benefits that extend well beyond their nutrient content. One particularly notable advantage of coffee grounds is their ability to repel pests. As we mentioned earlier, their coarse texture forms a physical barrier that slugs and snails find difficult to navigate. On this, the caffeine and certain acids found in coffee grounds act as effective repellents for many insects such as ants and mosquitoes. Coffee grounds are also a powerful tool for enhancing soil biodiversity. Rich in organic matter, they provide an excellent food source for beneficial microbes, including bacteria and fungi. These microorganisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic materials and cycling nutrients. Their activity also improves soil structure and promotes healthy root systems. Thanks so much for watching. We'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and share your experiences using coffee grounds or any other gardening tips you found helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again for watching. Until we see you next time, stay curious.